Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're back with another one, Bafetu. We straight from a victory, Bafetu. We just destroyed yet another one. Pulukwani City. Petu Mr. Mlambo. Mr. Mlambo, how are you, sir?
I'm good, and how are you, sir?
Yeah, fabulous, sir. Fabulous,
that's
fabulous.
nice. I mean, I'm always scrumptious, eh?
Scrumptious.
But ushilo mabazi ukuthi ungathi siba destroyile, sibashaye one.
Destroyed.
Ngiyadlala ndanga.
Sizendele.
I'm just happy. We do not care. You won 1-0, 2-1, 5-0. Do not care. 3 points in the bag. So I'm happy ndanga.
Amapagani azocabanga ukuthi sijaya iphori only if we win games because we didn't really cover a game
Next Mapagania, let's just clarify
that.
the reason why we couldn't do a pod ukuthi asibukelanga igame, you understand. So us doing a pod ngegame esingayibukelanga kuzoba ngathi asinaqiniso, because you remember this is the voice of all the fans. So let's khuluma nje into esiyibukela.
Spetsu Ghost wafethu Ghost, how are you, sir?
I'm good, and you guys?
Grand.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Gimnati kitumetse fela ka our 1-0 victory, champion score.
Yeah. Pagani lu enze happy mfana.
Whatever, always have this days.
Bekili. Yeah, Mapagani, as I said, but it's straight from a 1-0 victory. We just beat Polokwane City. Obviously, I'm not there the team to go into detail of how it happened. When you get to the game, obviously after the game we did post match interviews.
Yeah.
We saw some of the guys coming back, the likes of Abu Papasi, beekeeper doing his thing, young Jordan. Who was a standout during those interviews?
You see, always we get to meet new faces, and that's what I like. And we get to learn. It was Lungati, Danga, off guard. Like the way she understands the Polanga corner, like it's really like Sajabula, like to see ukuthi kunabo sister understand the Pola the way she understand football ngaya ngizona. Also Lungati yakho le sister.
And what I liked about Lungati is that remember we were closing up, young and then she just appeared out of nowhere to say, can I have an interview as well? And then decided to give her a chance. And then Lungati, you see, as if you're watching this, Lungati, you know yourself, you see it. Please don't be harsh on me. I'm just a girl. I'm telling you.
That girl.
Maybe it's a girl. Look back at 23. Then once she started speaking, I could tell, okay, this person has an understanding. She's appearing even on TV.
Today.
She has a show. Is it today?
Today at 9, SABC 1.
Yeah. Shout out to Mapagania. Let's support Lunga team. And then Ghost, when who was your favorite interview?
I won't lie, beekeeper never disappoints. It's one of my favorites. It's beekeeper.
Yeah.
Beekeeper did what beekeeper does.
Ghost likes beekeeper. Always.
Flair.
Yeah.
And then for me, Rutatana, beekeeper, obvious,
Matala. No, Matala. Ungamkhosi Matala. Ushayile Matala.
Oh, Matala, yeah, no Matala. But khona uMabaso, is it Mabaso? Ushaya number plate to Mabaso.
Mabaso lo uthi ungathi sibadlela kubo.
That's my favorite in that. You know why, Ghost? Because everyone was like busy hyping the team, but looking forward. It was refreshing to see someone with a like different perspective to say, I'm not happy, young Zola. Okay, we won, we got the 3 points, but me nangfuna ma goal, young Zola. And even said ukuthi EST Lupopo. Obviously ngayibona. Ngeke bas-treat the way bona. Ngeke sibas-treat the way bona bas-treating akona. Yabona le game lethu ePolokwane maybe bayibhekile, young Zola, and then we didn't have the luxury of watching that game. Athi and mabasibhekile wabona ukuthi sishaye
Sishaye
iPolokwane
one.
1-0
Yeah.
now bazothola confidence to say we can defend against these guys.
And that's a
yabona.
point.
That's a good point,
Yeah,
Yangzola.
yeah.
So shout out to him, Ndanga. I think it's Mabaso, if I'm not mistaken.
No, it's Mabaso, you're right.
Yeah, Mabaso, ne? Shout out to him, Ndanga. It was a good one. And then siyangena stadium Ndanga sithi siyahlala mfethu apha ne. Elushilo nomabase.
Yeah.
Le goal lakhona ngilibonanga nokulibona Ndanga. But anyway, Ndanga wena igame ulibone kanjani?
Mina Ntanga, I like the introduction yaka Tito Maswangai.
Yeah.
Ntanga, that guy he pause and because like first minutes of the game you could see ukuthi Tito is in the mood.
Yeah.
And you must know one thing. If Tito is playing, everyone is going to play. Yangithola Ntanga.
Yeah.
First minutes of the game we see Tito, we see Masindi, Nonduli Dapaya, isenza siwinile then like I just said to ukuthi last is a win Ntanga.
Yeah.
Then the rest is history Ntanga. Sola ma chance Ntanga senze history yaqafa.
Yeah.
Sola ma chance ay-25 sakwara one. That is still for another day. Mara like Ntanga, the team is playing so well.
The team is
The
playing
team is
so
playing
well.
so well.
And I mean, Tanga, I won't lie. Like I liked what I saw. Young Tola, like him to some of the touches. Young Tola in danger, especially with the introduction of Lamini,
Shenko.
Young Tola in danger, and then you just started like. At some point, it almost feels like it's a trainee. Because if it's by pop, and you want to Polokwane, they are really trying to come back in the game. But in Tanga, movement, young Tola, I'm trying it. Lawa social side. Sibuye sihlanganise ngayi. And what I like ukuthi ubheke Ntanga in every like little touches that we play. Tito is always there. Yangithola.
Always.
If isidlala ngayi siyalchange uzolchange ngara alandela yangithola iyo uyebeka sidlalisa lama triangle Ntanga. Beautiful football mfana, beautiful. Coast. What did you see like the game in general? Yeah, we won it wrong.
Game game emnati yona ne really strong. It's just that finishing nje if ne re qetella the opportunity tse ne re di thola re sha di goal then ya mara yona re tladile sharp.
Really grand ne?
Re tladile sharp.
Really grand. Ke bone mfetule na ra solo moyeng so shlanyetsa I think it was
I don't think Nelly yellow card nakbatlucho Nelly okay wentse sile mistake ile aka o kenya loto lori defender ve LSS striker se tsamile mara I ne si yellow card ile
re to fihla go yena re sha player rating. And then Ndanga coach AP he bounced back. He bounced back because le game trick Ndanga cause onke like even on our post match interviews they were talking about ST Lupopo
Yeah.
It's you can easily lose concentration of what's in front of you, and we shouldn't lose sight. Because for me, I don't know about you now. For me, if like my primary goal, Yangzola, is to win the league, more than the Champions League. Like we stand a good chance of winning the league this season more than the Champions League. Yangzola. So you can easily lose focus, and this game, Polokwane, it's a very important game to keep the momentum.
Yeah.
So Coach JP Ndanga he bounced back on this one.
Coach JP Ntanga iphoza mfethu. That's why like who thought ukuthi kuzoqala uNduli, uMasindi noTito. Mina Ntanga when and sifike late usakhumbula we had a problem masingena.
Yeah.
But like us seeing mina ukubona i-first 11, ngibona i-first 11 not on the phone. Ngibona i-first 11 mangiqala ukuhlala lapha ngithi surprise. See ngabo who's this Sibilibili on the right. He was enjoying football yakhe izona. Yabona Ntanga like it was refreshing and that's what I like about Coach AP. Coach AP makes things esingazicabangi. Ngithola akekho predictable but like uhlala ithola Ntanga 10 mina ngiyamupha.
Yeah.
Ngiyamupha.
So cause we didn't really cover a game in the first league. And we like it will be difficult for us to try and analyze that game. But according to Lama clips that you saw on social media, on Twitter, doing the rounds, we saw Tito scored, there was a foul there, I don't know what happened, this allowed our goal. We playing at a turf, we hearing rumors that if even our players didn't have the breakfast in the morning,
Yeah.
like hostile environment. Like, what did you think of this whole entire situation?
So into yakudala ntanga nakuNtsunda Sifiso Mini from 2013 baze baye emafinalini eAfrica kunjalo.
Yeah.
Yangithola ama-Giants nje should just keep on going on. We understand ukuthi sebayasazi. Pirates is known, yabo, it's even nominated for the best team ku-CAF for last season. You understand? So bayasazi they'll play with this thing. Sonke sidlalile ibhola siyacava ukuthi they'll try zonke izinto on and off the field ukuthi basidle angithola.
Yeah.
So you must just thina understand ukuthi those kind of things izosithola the team ifixela ama-gents ukudla kwabo maybe mabesuka ngayi things like that uyangithola. Whatever we can control, let's just control it. Whatever you can't control, let's just leave it like that. But thina our main focus ukuthi sidlale ibhola uyangithola and get the points. So now we're looking on the next game nabo laba be SC Limpopo. Thina sizobabonisa ukuthi no, we're not fighting with you, we're fighting in the field of play. Outside indaba zabo yangithola, but nabo they must suffer ntanga njengoba bashilo badlala ku-turf abayijwayelanga utshani bedla utshani ndoda bedla utshani.
Ghost, what did you think of that situation? Because for me, I like you saying we've been playing in this kind of situations from
Dala.
and for me, like at this day and age, like it's 2025, guys. Like we really shouldn't be going through this. Like we even having discussions more PSLs VR while some of the countries can barely broadcast a match along with like what is it that that they're trying to hide to go through that
Tricks.
entire process.
Tricks.
And I think IKF now, and I even said this during my interview no Tatano with IKF now, it must take some kind of responsibility. Abu Mutsi Pera, the president, he must do something because these things the time we played in TP Mazembe back in, I think it was around 2013, we had those things. But now with our guy coming in, Mutse, I'm expecting changes to say, man, because we played against the Odi, Team Lesotho, but because they didn't have those facilities, they said, okay, our home game, we'll just play it in South Africa at Toyota Stadium. So it makes things easy. And DRC is not that far. It's not like it's North Africa. And so they can, even if maybe they don't come to South Africa, maybe they can ask their neighboring country to say, can you host this game so that at least it becomes broadcasted so that in a fair play, there are no complaints. So I think FIFA now must take some kind of responsibility and address these issues. CAF, I mean, yeah.
Nami ngasho vele CAF should do something. That's it, because rekasdule dali khona whereby football is growing. Ibhola iyakhula sifuna ukudlala ibhola enice. Manje makuluyiwa iviolence akusekho mnandi. We can't play like that.
You can't. So and Ntantla ufile coach AP for this game 10 out of 10. What do you think of his rating? Well, now rate out guy for this game ya Polokwane.
Nkase oitsi ntho ke ratetseng game ya mabane ka coach na sa kenya that strong team mara o kgonne o bona hore no a ke need ho etsa di substitute early ona tse boys ke ba fe chance like azanga itse anything harsh nje we tshwere cool a tshwara mnate so nkare nka mo fa 908 ke ska mo spoil like some say 908 mara na so far so good.
So far so good. I think it was a beautiful comeback from the coach. I agree with the 8 or 9, man. Just for that Lupopo game, man. And then moving to Udading, Usipoche, our goalkeeper for the day.
10.
Sipho
Mfethu does izinto thina singaziboni. We will always say Sipho is not working. You understand? We will always say Sipho is not working. Only to find out Sipho, he is working. Sipho Ndanga, you'll see Sipho
Yeah.
when Sipho must be seen. Yangithola.
Yeah.
Like there was this thing cishe kwaba yi-1-1
Yeah.
yesterday. There was this thing Siema losing focus.
Yeah.
Sipho was there to pounce because it's 1-on-1.
Yeah,
Sipho is
yeah,
always
yeah,
there
yeah,
for
yeah,
those things, you understand?
Sure.
And they like Elikin because le game le 3-0 le ibe yashintsha ukuthi like as concede yangithola.
Yeah.
Now sesikhuluma ngeleague. Elikin ugcine kudala ukuconcede.
Yeah,
Which is
yeah,
that's good. Mina ngithanda ukukhuluma ngale game esingayibonanga yangithola. Angithandi engilibonile. That's what it's what's under the bridge yangithola. But Leli Izolo Ndang, I think Sipho played so well and I'm going to give him a 10.
I fully agree with the 10. I think that was a 5-star performance from Sipho. I like the fact you mentioned that he bailed OCM. So he had a few, I think, overdoing it. Loose touches where Sipho had to come up, last ditch challenge. He kept the clean sheet as well. As you said, now we're talking about the league. I will go to EKF, but for this game, another clean sheet for him. In Dinjan. Mustemudau said he won. Up until I don't know if he's gonna count the KF game or he was referring to strictly Pete, but it will be very interesting to hear from him. Post match interviews. And then moving on to Uspidibile, our right back for the day.
Yo, mina Ndanga, what I saw with Speedy yesterday, I was happy. That guy was enjoying a ball.
Yeah.
Like that guy was not Ndanga, no one like Kasha Matipa, Kasha everything. Like you could see with this guy is enjoying himself. I was fagelang pressure. Yesterday I thought what I saw, Speedy Megana pressure paya gui. Yeah, understand good. I must be have been scoring for the team in. I think Lalpola lam. And that's what I like. I love to see when he has to mark mega marker. Umbone phambili, mombona phambili. But like most of the times, I'm a full back set. More abon phambili kakhulu because attackers wethu they were doing Spanish imnandi. You understand? But Speedy on the game Izolo, it's a 7. Yangithola because there was nothing marvelous akayenzile. But I love the fact ukuthi that guy was enjoying himself so much.
Yeah. I think I agree with the rating 7. I think he kept things just solid at the back. Even when he overlapped, this guy is also a winger. He's that effective. Skillful player. Can be able to ngena ngaphakathi sometimes outside. So I think the 7 is fair. And then moving on to right center back. UCM.
CM. Ipoza le yana Ndanga uzokushayela iDaego bona iDaego. Ndanga Daego nal ball. That thing. Uyayishaya but yesterday I think ngiyabona nokungadlali ngithola like sekajwayele ukudlala ngithola we shouldn't be too harsh on the boy. I once said this kudala ukuthi unama wrong CM. You understand? But who doesn't have wrongs? Because now at the end of the day he's a human being. Ngithola uzoyenza amaphutha. But he must just improve ukuyenza amaphutha Ndanga endaweni phambi kokeeper wethu because like sohlangana namahleva and they're going to punish us. Ngithola but apart from that I think uCM udlale kahle. There was nothing marvelous ngithola but nje mela improve from our mistakes akhe. Yesterday I'll just give him a 6 because of lama mistakes lawa mega wayenza. But I know CM deserves to be at the top. Go number 10.
Yeah. What do you think of CM Coast?
CM I think msebetsi wa etsa as Mr. Mlambo acho re ke di mistake nyana tseo le tseo mara yena ha tshonte a hlale yena wa span. So
Umfile 6 Mr. Mlambo.
Le nanga dlala na mo 6 for na because of the game time na dutse kontle ko gaming tse fitileng so re mo for a khutla pa tshware form eo ya go wa Mathieu. Yena o dladile sharp ka ntlo le di mistake nyana tseo mara
I think 6 is fair as well. Dladile ama mistake you pointed them out. Apart from a mistake, he redeemed himself. Also, again, as you mentioned, in Ndanga, it's very difficult for Uchi Bonga Lali, and then now it's busy Uchi start the game. That's the must stop and go. They can impact your form. And remember, before that,
Lupopo.
Before that Lupopo came, young tall. He was on fire. Like everything he touches became gold, young tall. Although I criticize him and Anombogazi with aerial balls, and I don't know how can they address this? Because in the Polugwani had some joy when it comes to aerial balls, and it's not like Nabo like Aweko like tall, yabona, and physical, but they must come up with a way, man. It's either maybe they can call Uspilibili, they can call Undawa who was playing at that game to say if it, you guys must just shuffle these guys. They must be young Zola, not invade our space, and then Tina will just focus on these aerial balls. Young Zola in danger. I think they can just come up with something to address this, because going to KEF, these teams are very physical teams. Young Zola. They'll if you are sleeping, they but kuzoba ne Christmas party there. So like so it's 2-0 up 2 corners, young Zola. And then you chasing the game just like that, says Pumid. And then his partner in crime for the day, Umbokazi.
There was nothing much ndanga to be done for Umbokazi.
Ukuthi
nje ababonisa ukuthi mina ngumbokazi. Kunalethi yeza lapha iyampress. Ungapress Umbokazi imdala. Mncane ngokomnyaka, mdala ngokudlala. Yangithola le akayithintile lapha ya. Yangithola that's Umbokazi, but there is nothing akayenzile ephaya yesterday yangithola. But mina also what I like them ukuthi ba improve kubo ukheda ntanga. When we getting our makhona wethu. They must watch about Virgil van Dijk intanga. I always say that because like ukheda kwethu ama defender wethu awaskoreli ngamakhanda yangithola. We always depend kuma strikers ethu ukuthi askorele ama goal. But apart from that, it's a 7 for him too, Umbokazi, because there was nothing much to be done by our defense yesterday rather than us having joy going forward.
And then, I think I agree with you. And then moving on to Usiema, Nae. It's very Undaba. Nae. It's very difficult for him to understand that, like, Unzu Sadali, Wantola Coast. And then suddenly, you be called upon to say, you want to start here. And during even these games, leading to this game, it's not like you've been getting body 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You haven't been playing at all. And then Bobby, thoughts on that, Coast?
I think Maubani nje the touches and they see to make sure because of that thing na game time. Like unal polota na rwa di trepa be di baleanyana. Mariana na ikemseditse ke yona ntwe e loreng ne nqhaza ka everybody man ba ikemseditse there. Ibile le ena Ndaba ne ntse a di etsa di run tselo e lore una le di hiccup nyana maro make sure wifi tela bolo o fa di teammate tsa. So I get rater because of nailing to maybe 5.
Average performance.
And goes to spot on. Average, it was going to be a 10, 5-star. Because he found himself in good spaces. You understand? But if Meganga Buisel is in Desimnan, good is it, but Likona, I'll be said Umbutum, good Ilambutum, and they have his touch, young Tol, and Butuma couldn't score. But like Undaba to me, I was happy to see him. Young Tol. Uzo joyela, like I can't game time but like I can't be harsh on him. The primary job yakhe yokumarka me bayishayile la emuva, so angeke sikhali. Neyibase akazithola kuzo zigrel yangithola nje mele nje a improve ngokushaya good decisions make yaphambili, then we're going to be fine.
He was a bit rusty, and of course that's contributes to which it's just called young to say him to come, do this thing. So being frustrated, but also stadium like in moment yakuthatha ngicela cause mfethu like he was literally every ball mfethu guy you can see this is a good ball ngicela but my first touch esayidini immediately in that second that chance is gone ngicela in danger. It was very frustrating from Ndaba. And I think you guys are a bit lenient ka 5. I don't think he was average. I think he was below average for me. But I won't be harsh on him because in Zasalalo, must come back and do better. And then Sihlo Nduli Ntanga.
Mr Clean,
Mr.
Operation
Clean, yeah.
Tutula, sihlina konke baba.
Yeah.
Ntangi clever yiye kadimali. Le outi le ay clever. I'll tell you about that guy.
Yeah.
Always and always. That guy wins ball, give us the balls. Akanandaba nokudlala. Yena umsebenzi wakhe lapha ayakwazi ukuthi we have a structure. Everything is clean there. Msebenzi kaNduli. Yesterday I didn't see him getting a tackle wrong. Yesterday I didn't see him asendaweni wrong like uyangithola.
Yeah.
That's what I like. I like to give him an 8 but like akakorang or didn't give an assist this time uyangithola. Kula ma chances la meswa create. So for that I'll give him an 8 but like I was happy to see uNduli ngendlela adlala ngayo. Ntanga Nduli is one of my favorite players go Orlando Pirates currently. I'll say that. He's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sihlo Nduli, I think he had a brilliant performance. And like I pretty much agree with everything that you said there. You could see I was really cleaning. Young Tol intention, Pulugwan, but Ula, young Tol, but Ula, young Tol intention. He didn't lose a lot of balls, at least because Amukshama progressive passes there and there, you know. So I pretty much agree with your rating there. And then moving on to uNomtanjela.
Ngeke balunge noma bengeza bebaningi. 7 days ngeviki baba. John Wick. Uye lo ya uMasindi Ntanga. That boy Ntanga ngathi kudala adlala ku Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
Look at the first minutes of the game. That boy is everywhere. That boy is everywhere. That boy is running. That's why we saw him maybe in the second half. Because that boy is running. He's giving his all. That's what I like. Ntanga. If you're giving your all, Ntanga, you're playing for the badge. You're showing us ukuthi you want to play, you want to be here. That's what I'm seeing from Umasin. Yes, second half ube wayehlisa kancane but hayi ukuthi udlale kabi. Now I think I'll give him an 8 njengoNduli because Nduli and Masindi I think basebenzisana kamnandi kakhulu and I think they are starting to understand each other those two now.
Yeah.
I
agree with you again. I think he had a good game, Umasindi, Tinjani. Played now progressive ball, as you say, like he can run all over that pitch, He's basically everywhere, trying to connect with all his teammates, So I agree with you there. And then moving on to our left wing, Muremi.
Ngithi zothi Tito I can't wait for Tito.
Mina can I say something ngoMasindi ngithanda like uhlala man umthola eboxini angazi kanjani mara he's always there in the box amatouch mara he's always there ngithanda lento ngoMasindi kune la bekumela ngazi ayipoke nje ingena Mariana he's a good player like lama signing wa this season so far energy basigaya yona mina I can't complain.
I agree with the 8.
8 not 8 it's not bad 7 8
yeah
7 8
If you guys can 7 you sounded excited to say he really had a brilliant game. I thought you thought about 9 10 but 7 is still a good rating.
Akere muthomulo umdlala part time mara yena wedladile part time 8
8
imlati ne. And then Muremi Ntanga.
That guy Ntanga also that's also another guy Ntanga ufithe njengedlafu. After the saga, that guy is going. That guy is gone.
And
you pass Apolis. Apolis Muremi, they have a relationship. Apolis Muremi, they have a relationship. They understand each other. Shuguti like ngate Jimin by trainer lento ukuthi hayi. And then that's what is nice from another winger to another winger. Always.
Sure.
That's good. That means like I'm a forward khona ukutholana. Those are the dots which we want.
I think it was a deflection
but like Puma on the side Apolis he was trying to put the ball in the box. Yes, I think we can give Apolis an assist for that goal because it's coming from Tito to the left. Apolis a cross, right? Then it became a deflection at Olumurem. Then it was a goal. I mean, I'll give Apolis an assist. But like going back to Muremi Ntanga always gives us what we want.
Yeah.
Yes, yesterday game I don't think it was too marvelous. Because mina kunalapho 1v1 nalapho expect ukuthi thatha lo muntu
Yeah.
shia akasale lo muntu, but like uno kehlisa, but like I don't think udlale bad kakhulu.
Yeah.
Naye me giving him an 8 ngizobe ngineqiniso to the way he plays yangithola, and also that guy scored for us. That means we have 3 points because of a goal like
Yeah.
yangithola, which is marvelous for me.
Yeah. What do you think of Moremi?
Moremi, I can't say much about Moremi because since he's here, nayo ya deliver.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngamupha na 8 because the energy or as guy yona uyabonakala ukuthi unehanga uyawafuna lamagoli. It's just that the angazi izinto za underground zani bamisa ama obvious goal maraye naye.
Yeah.
Now I pretty much agree with you guys. And then moving on to Apolisi.
That guy naye mfethu, like mina ngaza police manje ngathi he has always been there uyangithola, and when we need a plan we had really, you remember, it was only really and Tito. Now our police naye sekangenile kuleyo mission, you must tell you, it speaks volume. That means I know Moremi yakho we can trust, but like our police Ntanga is on his own level. That guy can trap the ball, sitineke abe greedy wakwayisho leyo nto, but we do understand now uyamchita lo yawune plan Ntanga uyangithola, and like since like njengoba sekuloko kadlala now asekathi no one is going to take my spot. That's what he's saying, that guy.
I really like this performance as well. Being pom Ghost Nenzari. Yo, Shevantone fit. Yo, like every time you gotta remember coach. Every time I saw up all of them like one player before he pass.
I know my fans.
Yeah.
Like kunenda banalento akayenzayo.
Yeah.
And mina for that, like ngamuphi 10 police Ntanga. Police doesn't do izinto wrong. Accounting. Noma ngajika ne kuyi attack. But uzoyibuyisa. That's what I like. Yangithola na he was a contender for a man of the match yesterday. Yangithola. For me it's a 10. Yesterday performance is ngijabulile Ntanga, from coming back from World Cup qualifiers abuye sekadlala, so that means there's consistency there.
And I think it's I don't know, man, it's like if for every game in Ntanga, like he finds a way to step that ladder, to step, like his performances keeps on getting better and better. If you couldn't fault him yesterday, his performance was flawless. That guy, when he gets the ball, every time I saw that, eliminate. And elimination. Ghost.
Even defense uthole police kwakomra uyiputso go fihlile that boy lena ke mona ke hard worker, and there was a sponsor shaya nka ga thole man memo ko coach mlele wetso singare yena nje o itlalla bola ngare Messi nje o itloza twa I move the way a move nga temara team itlo move le a police I nae wa bona ba mo scoutile this season 100 ba fethu I there ke SO chore rile ke na lo change game ya le police utlile le wetsa same thing wa bona. Watch or I'm here, Lena, sure.
Who's your favorite player go Pirates? Maybe you can just give me 2.
It's Manasseh. That guy. Unal character, that boy. Man. Like Ghana game one all the time. Can say they change. They were thing wa change. I would say I'm gonna see I big ups. Big ups. Kiatseba re shota ka di goal from ko yena mara man una le ntwa ikenelang man anan lo yetsa la ile ga thole di goal, like una lo tshwara ball ko tsho a khone ho holdanyana di player ntsa dlala di touches tsa moto matelle. Then go a police Moremi or Resbelebele tlo ba kenya ba tla ba matha
Yeah.
ba tlo thola pass e tswang go bona gore Tito e tswang a fe Tito maybe a fa police ke goal
Yeah.
ka ena magopa sa goal magwa kopa tsa goal so yeah, I really like magopa.
Yeah. I think you look like Ghost. And then moving on to Tito Masangani.
Wetito.
Wetito. Wetito. Wetito.
Wetito. I know it's first play alarm here Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
That guy is mentality.
Yeah.
And I'll always say that Tito will go bazomthuka abanye abamfuni ugogo abuye ubugcineni lokudlala
Oh,
aqale man of the match.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
Tito
yeah,
for
yeah,
you yangithola. That Tito is a leader with no belt. That's what I can say, and for me it's a 10. I do not want to say much because the kilometers the guy covers
Yeah.
kusunoma man.
I didn't fit like he was that central figure fit like young tall in danger, and I think he was that magnet in fit where everything came from him. Young tall in danger and a beautiful performance by Tito fit. I really liked what I saw, and as we said, and it's been called out of nowhere. It comes with the man of the match performance.
Yeah.
Like wow, fit. Imagine that. In fit. That's a big player mentality, young tall. I really like Tito Mfethu. I like his mentality Mfethu. The boy Mfethu, he must just be on that diadem, on that tour to USA Mfethu. Like Hugo Bruce Mfethu must give that guy a call Mfethu. You can see. And Tatana said it, players will be looking at that plane ticket saying, I want to be there. Everyone will be performing. Young Tito is the first one to raise his hand. Young so like beautiful performance from Tito. You said 10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10.
10 out of 10, fully agree with you. Then moving on to a Ghost's favorite player,
Ngwana sis. Danga ungwana sis na le first touch lemenisho nithi ungwana sis unesithende. Ngithi leso uJerudi kuphela istrike esinesithende. Then siza la eSouth Africa ungwana sis. Did you see Ngwana sis yesterday? And what I like about Ngwana sis make buye squadini.
Yeah.
And these players Hugo Bruce ndanga une influence. Also in the confidence. Look at the players which went to the squad, then they got us World Cup qualifiers.
Yeah.
We could name them. Abo Apolis, Moremi, and I also scored. Here's also Ngwanasis. He played so well on the squad. Coming back here, Ngwanasis is there. Ushidu Coast presence. I always say that. There is Ngwanasis. Like Ndanga, you can't disregard the fact ukuthi ungenile. Noma ngakora.
Yeah.
Ushaya ipal but uyabona kunoskomota somewhere.
Yeah.
And then that guy also une influence towards kuma player wakhe ngithola.
Yeah.
And now sebam understand. Even the coaches I see why bamfaka, and for me yesterday it was an 8. He played so well. Marabulala lapha. Kubulalile la goal la shaya ipal. It's a 10. Bengimele adle lapha ya mfethu.
Yeah. Your favorite player, Ghost? How do you think of him, Marwan?
Nah, because he's my favorite. For yesterday's game, nka se re nele performance ya hae ikitsa Mariana na o entse sponsor na tlamelo set. It's just that bad luck nje ya usakuri that thing ya palo ke yona, but nka mo fa le na maybe 6.
Yeah.
Because akamona the win ba tlo mona ka teng. Yeah, Mariana. He's still my favorite.
I lean towards the 6. I think it was just above average. And I think that's why coach I'm doing this, or maybe it was a rest thing. You never know. But for me, above average performance, not an outstanding performance. Yeah, man, he just did his things. Come on, as you said, in that chance. But he needs 5 chances to score.
But doesn't get a lot of chances. Skomota doesn't get a lot of chances. Skomota doesn't get a lot of chances. Now you can attest that.
Touch now. We create a goal.
Yeah, he creates the goals. It doesn't get chances for him to score.
Yeah.
You must check that.
So Utimamka 3 chances, he scores 1.
He doesn't. What I'm saying, ukuthi uSkomota akatholi 5 chances a game if unganotice most of the time.
No, now I'm not saying ukuthi egaming ithola 5 chances. I'm
Yes.
saying if
No,
even over time.
I'm answering you.
Uthini?
I mean, I wouldn't say ukuthi if ungamga 5 chances uzokora 1 because like angimboni like athola ama chances abhaya. That's what I'm saying. You understand? Like ama chances kaSkomota like a slim most of the games.
I don't understand.
No, I do get what he's saying.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
saying if ungamga 5 chances, how many chances amagoli akazowakora in 5 chances? Mina, I'm saying I can't rate him or say that because I haven't seen those things happen. Ngiyangithola, so anginayo determining fact ukuthi uSkomota uzokora ngakhi. That's me. That's my answer.
You dodging my question. Coast, can you answer me if it because Mr. Mlambona answer me. I'm saying if he gets 5 chances.
I
Once
don't
like
have
it,
an answer for that.
He needs to be selfish for agi gore di chances tseo because as motho wa ngata o tlo ba selfish like yo mabaso o tlo ba tlo gore ga le mo pela palo o bona palo fela ngwana sisi ke motho ile gore o tlo batla the nearest person a bona ke ena liwan ke ena motho foster but most of the time is not that person o lo re yeah unless re batla jwalo go lumaro a ga tseba man la ke ayo a wo ka kwa ka shapa dipa o shapa palo la bika this boy you
Sha, pagadia Coast Lindlanda wang understand we'll move on to Shevchenko Dlamini.
Ntanga yabona ntanga noma ungangadlali isikhathi uma uyinjwe they are out in their technical level.
Yeah.
Ntanga that guy is so good ntanga.
Yeah.
Kunale bhola ngazo phasa uTito walibeka nje ngo right ngokulibeka.
Yeah.
Inyawo zakaShenko mina ngazo zinama magnets ozinani. Ibhoza yephasa uphasa kanjani ungabhekanga loyo muntu loyo ntanga uShenko. And what I liked about him make engena izolo ngathi uluze weight ngathi uyajima ngathi ulambile ukuthi akadlali
Sure.
lento le yamuhla ufuna ukudlala and like uShenko ntanga naye if unganotice Shenko Shenko and Tito dala bada ku Pirates baya understandana uyangithola. I think yesterday ungene wadlala kamnandi and mayeqeda ukungena we also created ama chances abhaya ase groundini uyangithola. For me it's a 7 yesterday but ntanga I'm happy to see uShenko back.
Shenko Ndanga, and I agree with the rating Ndanga. Ushenko is one of those gifted players. You say he's good technical, and I agree with you, young Zorin Dunyan. Shenko must just work on his fitness level. He must just work on his strength, young Zorin Dunyan. He must angene gym, leave the ball kancane Shenko. We know what's in a ball mnandi, young Zol. Focus on off the ball things, young Zorin Dunyan. Like strength to older players. Kuka mfethi le mfethi boost ama tricep mfethi potries ngithola if I play uthi they shouldn't just shove you off the ball ngithola into you must be strong guide play ngithola on the feet ndanga fethi hi when he's on tune ndanga is one of the most beautiful things to watch.
You said tune.
Yeah.
Mawukhuluma ngetune ukhuluma ngaShenko.
Ndanga and I even say now when this fires makangena mfethu uyangithola asizena noTito mfethu babeze bayenza chaos mfethu uyasakhumbula ntanga ngithi ntanga like sitraining onokwenzakalala la they were just popping that ball mfethu popping that ball uyangithola into enjani mfethu ayipulukwane didn't know what hit them bathi chance after chance just they didn't convert on the day yabona. I think it was just unfortunate and ntanga uthi they put something la epolweni la
kunento abayifakile la ezasempomposi lezi ngiqonde
ezasempomposi
lezi
hey no I agree with the 7 and then moving on to Ndlozi,
that's also my favorite player ntanga and if you remember I once mentioned him go how I wish the coach should structure the team. Yangithola that guy ntanga if you could check and watch Ndlozi, he's a good player. Good player and we really need him and I was happy ukuthi ucoach umgayile chance and ucoach zonke izinto akashilo ukuthi everyone is needed. Uyayibonakalisa le and you see ucoach uba wonke umuntu ama chances uyangithola which is good bamngenile bamshayisa right back which is there was nothing much to be done by our defenders. So I wouldn't say 10 or what, didn't do much. Young Tola, it's just an average because we didn't get this cut.
Yeah.
But I was happy to see him back.
And then Mbutuma.
That guy is hungry. That's what I saw.
Yeah.
A goal changes someone's mentality.
Sure.
He just needed those goals.
Sure.
Danga Mbutuma fight for everything.
Everything, yeah.
Sipho saw ukuthi hayi sekuyophela igame.
Yeah.
Hayi ngathi uSipho mesekadlala noMbuthuma kuphela sekathi ngiyamposa. Heda wena.
Yeah.
Mbutuma had to fight. Uze walimala kunale bhola lela kalibeke ngekhanda. Kahle I think ubekela uShenko. Ubani ngiyangithola but the hold up play yakhe imnandi. Ama-runs akhe amnandi cishe wakora nge-first touch.
Yeah.
And then Danga almost similar to ama-goals akhe. Usho ukuthi uMbuthuma ufuna amabhola uthanda ama-cross.
Yeah.
He's always there Danga for ama-crosses and ama-players wethu abo Muremi and Apolis they must check that. Mbutuma is going to get a lot of goals Danga mengaqhubeka kanjalo. Yesterday for me it was a 7 but the boy is hungry. The boy is hungry.
Don't he give you like Lepasa vibes nyana? Like for that game alone in isolation in that game, ne?
Striker angithi banalento leyo busa balambile.
Yeah.
Kunale yonto angayithi an 8 kunaleli ntanga kunalapho atrepa athena athi ushaya umkhelo.
Oh yeah.
You don't see that in South Africa, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
You must check that. You don't see strikers that do that in South Africa. Umuntu obukela UCL kuphela.
Yeah.
That means the boy is watching the UCL. Yeah.
And I like his body structure. I like his height. He's hungry as well. In fact, that is you cannot question that ghost. In fact, and I think China Leonard noticed there, and he was like every ball. Mbutuma defense da no snor baresta. It was roughly in there. No, they worked for their money there. Performance on Mbutuma, I think it lacked just the goal more. So I think it was a beautiful one. What do you think of Mbutuma?
In second half, Mara, can change a game, I won't lie.
Yeah.
And he's not that tall like Mahopa, but he was winning a lot of
yes.
That boy,
Yeah.
That's what I think of him. So we're still gonna see more from him.
Yeah. Beautiful performance by him.
Brilliant. For quite a brilliant performance.
Yeah. You saw Mkap guy?
Ngamufa 7.
7.
Ishintshile 7 ngithe 8 Martins.
Kitchen. Yeah. 7, 8. Yeah, I wouldn't argue with it. Yeah. Uyenza impact more in fact. Even coach la ka Mkenya ka game ya Saturday. Ne?
Yeah.
I won the KEF. Yeah. I won't argue with him. I'm telling you. And I feel like Kilena he can fight there. I don't know what you think.
Me personally, I think we need experience, a person who's gonna make sure they finish, which is Mabasa.
Yeah.
Maybe Mabasa can give us maybe 2 goals, and then whoever comes in can carry on. Even Mbutuma, when he comes in second half, so far he's been good as a sub. Again, a second half, Zalim not the boy.
Mabasa. No, I'm just saying, or even if maybe Rafita Saturday is on the lineup, I won't be like, coach, I'll be like, okay, I saw a good cameo game. Let's see what he can offer us. But Lina personally, I think I'd go with Mabasa as well. Yeah.
Even na starting game, I think I feel mnate that boy. Na the moment especially again so second half. I don't ask which game I can enjoy. Na le ukorile ngaka game I can second half. He's Pamisal why batla they did learn. Competition is tight kwa kopeng.
Okay, and then moving on to the Reverend Danga.
0. When you are a referee, you must not be biased.
Konje kimang
It's Mr. T.
Mkwanas.
You must not be biased in Danga. When you are a referee, just ref the game, fair and square. That guy, that guy was biased. Pirates. Pirates yellow card yakasiyema not deserving
Yeah.
nabantu bayepulukwane they deserve yellow card. No one got a yellow card ntanga. When you have the game you must not be biased, not because in favor Pirates uyangithola. Mina even if he was favoring supporting Pirates I was going to say the same thing. Just have the game so that sizobukela igame elimnandi, stop being biased.
It was a bad
Yeah,
one.
when he had to give us our fouls, now hesitate.
Mfethu,
Even the supporters, the stadium never sat happy.
I was frustrated.
it was a disappointing one from the Rev. Mfethu. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say.
Ngathi he wants to
That
prove
guy.
the point. Angithola ukuthi ngoba naye Orlando niyenza abo referee, that's why like abo referee nizama ukubayenzisa ama decision kanti thina sibukela ibhola.
Yeah.
So ngathi he was trying to prove the point.
To prove a point,
Yeah.
yeah. That was a bad one. I agree with the zero down. Negative one, even if it's possible. Then I'm a fans in Donna. How did you see the atmosphere in Orlando?
Scotty never disappoints. We were not that packed, but you could hear his Scottish shake. I Scotty does it. But we wouldn't disarm a flag. White is on. It was
I think
nice,
it was
guys.
preparation for the Saturday game. The
Yeah,
Flappers
Saturday. No.
Something
Something is coming. Something is coming.
Yeah.
It was a nice atmosphere, but I think Saturday, Mo is coming.
Mo is coming.
Mo is coming.
Yeah. Pagania
Always.
as per usual.
Always hundreds.
Yeah.
The stadium was not packed. Yazi ntanga mina sometimes nokuhlala la ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu uqala ukuhlala esigodini.
Yeah.
Then you see what's happening esigodini. Like ntanga your life changes. Not ukuthi like kuba na something, but there's this experience oyitholayo. Ntanga kushaya inamba na. There is no team for inamba la eSouth Africa njenge Orlando Pirates. Da kushaya inamba nda.
Yeah.
And they like yangithola nama boys mawedlala da, they can hear us.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ayabona the team is behind us. That's what I like ntanga. White flags ebayozwa laba Saturday. Ngenamba nje like laba bazodliwa yithi. Ngeke badliwa ama player cause sazoba mnandi
100%. I agree with
Teach
that.
them real football, how to play proper football, not cheating stuff and bribes and stuff. No, proper football.
This coming Saturday of it too. It's a big one, if it want to like it. This is a big one. Yeah, if it we need to perform something very special. This is not the game to bring your girlfriend on a date. This is not a game to bring your daughter and danger. This is the game to bring your friend to see if it run doing. If it are you ready for this?
Not your friend, your soldier.
This is the game to bring your soldier to say if it when
So
we get there, young dollar. Yeah.
Bathuka if it's
Chuti
supposed
going
to.
to pull them, going to shoot if it is going to be physical. If it taxi, a game you must put any running shoe. It's not a game formal shoe. I'm totally in danger. You go in there, little short pen. I go show you. Lord, I did play. What do I get? Let's create the best atmosphere ever of it. The boys need us like more than ever of it. This is the only chance you have to progress to the group stages. So until I get it, ST Eloi Lupopo Nsanga Young in danger must really create an amazing atmosphere. So what do you think coach will set up for this one?
Interesting. But
It's interesting, yeah.
I'm going to tell you this, but mina ngizoyithola wrong. Uzokufrustrate coach JP then nisebenze into yakhe.
Yeah.
Coach JP Ntanga is coach JP and that's what we want.
Yeah.
Coach challenge us, coach show us ukuthi you are the coach. Because Tina, we're not coaches.
Yeah.
Tina, we can say this, but Tina, we're not training these guys.
Yeah.
Tina, we don't know who fights. You understand that? But
Yeah.
like the way I think change should be there.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't care whether there is Bodlela, there is CM or what. I don't care about defense. Uthi there is who. Because ngeke batope 4 goal.
Yeah.
If it was possible nokudlala nge-3, mina mengadlala nge-3. Uyangithola?
Yes, that's what I was thinking as well.
Because we need to do team yami Liverpool engiyi-favor once did it. Nathi we can do it against Barcelona. Against big team.
Yeah.
Thina sohlulwa yini? Like let's do it. If we score early, that's what mina like noma bangafaka bobani ngithola. But what we just have to have abantu like abanenhliziyo. Whether it's Tito, I'm good. Whether it's Chef, I'm good. But mele babe nenhliziyo njengoba thina amafan esinayo. Thina sibakwatelanga ukuthi badliwe 3-0. Thina we just want them to show us ukuthi we are champions. Through it all, we're going to be there. We're going to fight. We're going to show ukuthi thina we just qualified for a World Cup. Thina we are South Africans for a reason. We've been doing these marvelous things. Now, this is South Africa, Ndanga. This is not just Orlando Pirates. This is South Africa playing there. Showing the country or the world or Africa. We are here to stay. That season it was not a fluke.
And make history.
We are history makers after all. So we're here to show that. And it's going to be interesting to see Orlando Pirates and Sundowns again on the group stages. For our country. So that's what I can just say. I do not care how the coach structures the team, but Stingama Socha, you said it, from the fans should be soldiers. Even from the field of play, we need people who are going to fight for the patch. After the game,
Sure. Ghost was having doubts, Mr. Mlambo, to say, should I really go there, young Zola? Am I going there to waste my time? Can I really trust the boys, young Zola, in the end? What do you say to Ghost for Saturday's game, Fit?
Ghost, you must just look at Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
That's a team.
Yeah.
That's what I just want to tell Ghost, Nabantu abanga believe.
Yeah.
That's a team. And if they scored 3, they scored 3 in 90 minutes.
Yeah,
Can't you score 6? Pelatina, we must go there. Game, mental-wise, it's 0-0. Mental-wise, it's 0-0. And it's 90. But sina sifuna ukubashaya njenge yini iliyoli. So ubashaya 4. Because if we go there, hey, 3-0, sizosifakela ipressure. We must go there and
I need 3 first half.
Listen, we must not have pressure. It's only goal calls another goal. Law of attraction. Goal eli-1 uzobona. Yazi goal eli-1 lizoyenzani? Lizothaba fithi sasekhona. Hawu sekushota 2. Sithole lesi 2 haba fithi. Sekushota 3. Sithole lesi 3. Lesi 3 lithaba fithi. Athi iqedeleleni lento leyo yangithola. So we just need a goal. Eli-1. First half, if you can get 1.
That, it's interesting you say that. In fact, I was with my colleague today, and I said to him, he's a Sundowns fan. I said to him, we only need 1 goal. First half. Young Dolly in danger. Just 1. Young Dolly. No, Mr. Kwete. No, this team must score 2. 1 need 1 camp. It only need 1. Young Dolly in danger.
First half 1.
First half, just 1 goal. We'll see. Second half, you're gonna show them flames in that. You're gonna show them what they've never seen before. Young Dolly in danger.
Once we score. Goal only 1, we don't concede. You must know what's in Tangasiyala.
Yeah.
Goal only 1.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Ghost, after a motivation from Mr. Mlam, you changed your mind. Are you gonna attend the games on Saturday?
Yeah, I think after the interview to Moban, I really have to the vibe there. The fan,
Yeah.
But like 8, but like 7, it's gonna go down. Just hope. Le coach AP wabablela this boys is no chore. We going to war. You need to bring your soldiers.
Yeah.
At this moment, wabablela that thing of guys we must fight.
Yeah.
Like after I saw the fans, I'm peeling in the hoop. What's like in the valley, like boom, 3, 4, 8.
Spilling.
Kucho nakil pagani ala manete mo sana ne 18 na sa so sa ke 3 la ya ba ne ba dlala le game e re sa tsebeng e tswa ka ya kucho ai ya stadium
there you have it, Mapagani. Coach is going.
Such.
Mr. Lambo, what's your prediction here for this game?
Sithatha sibuyisela ku Betway emakaya ngisayidlala Mapagani. 1 need first half. We just need 1. If we score 1, that's my prediction. If we score 1, we can go for 4-0 like game yonke if you score 1 first half.
Yeah.
But if you score 1 second half, 3-3, then so iqedelela ku extra time or kuma penalty. But mina what I'm saying, if we score 1,
yeah,
ilapho mapakani right nangivumela PFTV. Okay. Okay, sharp. Prediction yami it's 4-0.
4-0 to Orlando Pirates. 4-0 to Orlando Pirates, mapakani. You heard it from Mr. Mlambo himself, mafiti. Ghost, what's your prediction, sir?
Asithukanga mina ngizofaka 1 on top ngibe
5-0.
Yeah.
5-0 to Orlando Pirates.
ngifuna ifama mina isenze yona sibabonise ukuthi next time noma bayicabanga
Yeah.
cabange
Yeah.
This one it'll be a tricky one, was it? And I don't think they'll score. Yeah, they won't score.
Aye, they
Scotty.
won't.
They won't score. That one I can guarantee. So it's 0 to ST Eloy Lupopo, and then 4 to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
So it's 4-0 mapagani. Yeah.
taking it.
Taking it. And then our luck hasn't changed, mapagani. We all predicted a win for Orlando Pirates for against Lupopo, but we didn't really see the victory, so we didn't get any points. Obviously the log will be displayed there. It will be as it is, mapagani. We can close the show. Ntanga. Is there anything that you want to add there?
Yeah, there's something which is I just wanna urge. And we have soldiers there, mapagani and young tall.
Yeah.
When you support a team or when you love football, you must open your heart fully. Mavali inhliziyo put against your team. Like for a team yakho, noma like izinto zibheda kanjani. Washo ubeekeeper wathi you must always believe. Shukuthi usuke ungasi fan. Uthi team yakhe iyodliwa noma ingadlali. Ngithola thina ke we have a luxury yokuthemba team vele ethembisayo.
Yeah.
Which is Orlando Pirates. So mina what I'm just saying, mapagani, keep on being paganias bafethu. We love you. We appreciate the love for EPFTV VNO. You understand? Keep on coming. Guma post much interview. Nizo sky like ama insight to when we always learn. Always. You are our voice. To see voice ama gens. Bangakhohlwa to like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe, mapagania. As Mr. Mlambo said, bafethu, we see the love, bafethu. We see the numbers are coming, bafethu. Please keep on doing. Please keep on hitting that like, sharing, subscribing, engaging to our channel, bafethu. Those engagements, bafethu, please keep them coming again, bafethu. The likes of Sandile, ne?
Yeah.
Sandilo is always on the comment section, giving us your kudos to you, mfethu. Please, mapagania, let's comment as well on the show. Ghost, last words, and then can you please close the show for us, Ghost? Horrible piece, after your last words. Don't think about it too much, Ghost.
Mina ngizoyibopha kuphela for manje.
Hayi somlandela.
Ngizoyibopha kuphela.
Somlandela.
Arribope.
Bopha.
Opa.
Opa.
Danko.